Kay.
And I'm JR.
And we are celebrating our wedding day.
Wedding day.
Dito
Big
sa
day.
Ponderosa Events Place. Yung experience namin from booking to event is very smooth, maayos sa kausap. Like si Miss Chris, tsaka si Ma'am Mena. Very accommodating sila. You can book your events here sa Ponderosa. We highly recommend it.
And then you will enjoy also. Maganda ang service nila at saka masaya.
We recommend Ponderosa Events Place sa lahat ng mga gatherings. Pwede sila birthdays, anniversaries, and syempre wedding. Kasi,
Any occasion, pwede kayo magpabook dito. At lalo kayo mag-e-enjoy.
they can accommodate big parties. Katulad namin, may big family. So, yun. Swak na swak sa amin. Thank you, Ponderosa.
Thank you. Book na.